Stop scrolling for just 4 minutes because in this video, I'm about to show what IT really means. You use apps, a website, system every day, but do you know what IT really mean? Now let me show you in a way you never forget, and this is Learn IT in 4 minutes. Let's go. IT stands for Information and Technology, but what does that mean? It is use of computer, network, software, and data to manage and deliver information. When you test your friend, order food, or watch YouTube tutorials or watch YouTube like this, you are simply using IT. And note that behind every app, systems, and software used, there's an IT expert controlling and managing it and also protecting it. Now let's talk. Let's talk. Why is IT so important? Without IT, there's no communication. Without IT, there's no online banking. Without IT, there's no social media. There is no even internet. So this is why IT is one of the most important thing in this digital world. And also it is one of the highest paying jobs or work in the world. One of the highest paying. And because it is where the future is heading. IT is where the future is really heading to. Now let's talk about the careers in IT. Now let's break this down. Let's talk about the five top most career in IT. Number one, we have the software developers. They build and design apps and websites. We also have network managers or network managers. This one they make sure that internet and systems are connected. Like they make sure that they stay connected. Then we have the cybersecurity experts. This one they protect data from hackers. We have the IT support. This one they solve tech problems in real time. And lastly, or last but not the least, we have the data analyst. This one they find meaning in large set of numbers. And guess what? You don't need the university degree to start. You just need your phone, your brain, and your internet. And many people ask, can I start IT right now? And the answer is yes. You can start IT right now, even from your room. You can learn to code using free code camp. You can take courses with Coursera, and also you can practice with apps like Solo Learn and Grasshopper. You can also build small projects like simple calculator, a to-do app, small, and there you can go. And here you go. You have learned IT in just 4 minutes. So if you find value in this video, please like this video, subscribe and comment. And also stay tuned because I will be posting more beginner friendly videos on this channel. So I love you guys. Bye.